So today I'm so excited because I'm going to show you all my Jamba Juice blender. I'm going to unbox it on camera for y'all. And also I got this for Christmas and I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to film it on camera, and also I got the Jamba Juice smoothie from Publix and I was waiting to go to Publix and get that. And because where I live, there's no Publix nearby, so I just finally got me some Jamba Juice smoothie from Publix. So I'm so excited about that. And I will link, actually I talked about this in my what I got for Christmas video, and I'm going to link that in the description box below if you want to check that out. And yeah, so if you want to see my blender and see my smoothie I'm going to make today, so if you want to see that, just then keep on watching. So right now I'm about to unbox this Jamba Juice professional blender. Okay, so let's start unboxing. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Alright, this is what it looked like inside the box. Okay, so right here is the instructions manual. And this is cute. This is like the professional blender getting started, and it tells you everything about the blender, and it's really pretty. This is what it looks like. Okay, so let's see what this one is. Oh my goodness. Let me take out the pack. It comes with a recipe book, and this is a Jamba blending delicious healthy recipes, and 150 recipes that you can make in this blender, and it's so pretty. And this is the back, and let me just flip through here. Like, they got sorbets and you can dark chocolate gelatos. There's so much stuff you can make in this recipe book, and I'm definitely going to try out these recipes. Okay, so this right here is called the tamper, and you can just like put it in your blender and help to stir all the fruits and ice and everything around. Okay. Okay, so I got the top part of the blender, and it's so nice. Like, it got weight to it too. That looks, and all the measurements on the side, it is so pretty. How the ounces and cups. Okay, now I'm going to take this plastic off the bottom part of the base of the blender. Okay, and this is what it looks like. You got all the different buttons at the bottom, the start, stop, and the pause button. They also have a button for the soups, smoothies, ice crush, and whole juices. And they have, I guess, the little numbers that you can change the different speeds. And that's so cool. Okay, so I just took the paper off the cord to plug in to the wall. Okay, so this is what it looks like up close, the base of the blender, and this is what this looks like up close. It sets up like this, and it's like nice, and this is plastic, but I am so excited to try this blender. Ooh. And yeah, that's what like untopped. This is what the blender looks like from out the box, and I am so excited to use this, and I'm so excited to make one of my Caribbean passion smoothies, the smoothie mix that I got from Publix, and I cannot wait. So I'm going to show you all how this blender blends up all the ingredients from the smoothie, and I'll show you the end results of the smoothie when I get finished, and I'll give you my thoughts and opinions. Right now I'm taking the top off my blender. I'm using the Jamba Juice Smoothie Caribbean Passion Smoothie, and I'm just putting all the mix inside the blender. I'm taking the Juicy Juice apple juice, and I am pouring the juice inside the blender, and I'm pouring 8 ounces of juice. Now I'm topping up the smoothie mix in apple juice and blending all of it together, and this blender blends it up awesome. It blends it up so well and smooth. I am taking the top off the blender, and now I'm pouring all the smoothie in the cup. And here is the finished smoothie. Okay, so I finished blending up all the smoothie mix in my blender, and this is the final result. Look how good this smoothie looks. Oh my goodness, it tastes so good. I'm so happy about the blender I got, because this is like my dream blender. Like, I've been wanting this blender for almost like 2 years, so I'm so excited to have it and to just make so many different smoothies and different like juices. And it's Jamba Juice, and anybody who knows me knows I love Jamba Juice smoothies, so I'm just so happy to get, like, you know, the blender. Like, probably 6 years have gotten their smoothie mix, and if you all want to know, like, want to get some of their smoothie mix, they used to sell it at Walmart and Food Lion, but I looked at those stores and I couldn't find the Jamba Juice smoothies. So if you can all go to your Publix and, you know, look there, and they should have the Caribbean Passion. They have like a lot of other different kinds of smoothies, but that's the one I usually get. So if you're all looking for a new blender, definitely I recommend going picking up a Jamba Juice blender, and I'll leave it in the description box where you can purchase it at. And yeah, so if you all enjoyed this unboxing video, give this video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to comment below also what is your favorite thing to blend up in your blender, and I would love to know. And yeah, so I will see you all in my next video, and also don't forget to turn on your post notification, hit the bell, and so you all will be notified whenever I upload a video, and I will see you all in my next video. Alright, bye.